In today's video, I'll show you how to replace a car mod in GTA 5 and swap any default vehicle with a real-life car. Check my video description for this site link. Choose the car that named replace. As you can see, these are the cars that named replace. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this mod. Once you download the car you like, check my video description for these other required mods. Right click on script hook V and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open openiv. If it doesn't have openiv installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install openiv for GTA 5. Once installed done, right click on the blank area, select edit mode and select yes. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder mods and click on OK. Now scroll down and find X64E. X64E.rpf. Just right click and select copy to mods folder. Once you done this, select this ASI manager and make sure all three are installed in here and open bin, drag and drop all these files except this ASI and then go back, open menu sp, select this menu.asi and menu stuff inside of a game folder and then go back, open the car mod, open the replace folder, open mods x64e.rpf, open levels GTA 5 vehicles. Here you need to drag and drop these files. Once you drop the files, note down this car name VACCA. Once you note down this, close stuff here and launch the game. Everything is done. Once you are in game, press F8 to open up this menu. Using up arrow, down arrow, you can choose option. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, and you need to find the car name. I already know where it is. In my case, the car name is back car. Just press enter to spawn the car. The same way, you need to note down the car name and search in this menu, not in the same menu. All menus right here, you need to check whether it has car, super, sports, sports classic, coupes, and muscle, SUV, sedan. These are the list you need to find. So once you spawn the car, the same car, Lamborghini, now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.